Look, Sri, back then, the time was different and the circumstances too. Please don't worry about all that now. Okay, listen, take this key and go to the wardrobe and take out a sari for our daughter-in-law, Mithai.
Me? No, Grandma. I won't touch that wardrobe. What if Sid gets angry?
Why will he be angry? He has given us the key himself.
Yes.
Grandpa,
Yes.
see how pretty Mithai looks in Mom's sari.
Let it be, let it be. You don't need to touch my feet. Go and sit on that seat. Let me have a look. Oh my, you're looking very pretty.
You're really looking pretty. Mithai, the sari you are wearing belonged to Shom's Mamuni. She was the eldest daughter-in-law of this house. You must have heard about her from your mom. Aarti had held the family together with love and compassion. I bless you that you too can hold this family together just the way she did.
Grandma, can we now take our beautiful bride to her seat?
Let's go. We should also take our seats.
Look here, brother, you're here. Come, come. Shom, come. Brother, you have come at the right time. Blessing ceremony is about to start.
Count me out of all of this.
Samresh, please don't do this. Please participate at least today. After all, it's about Dad's honor. Hey, Sri, please stop your dad. Look how he's going away.
Okay, I'll be inside and I'll leave after having a cup of tea. Lakshmi's mom, bring me a cup of tea, please.
So, I have a question. Will Shom stay here or will he go away? As far as I know, the groom doesn't have much to do in the blessing ceremony. Okay, Nanda,
Yes?
do you remember? Did I come to bless you during your blessing ceremony?
Grandpa, did you see that? Please ask your son-in-law Rajiv to be serious at times. Are you laughing? There's a blessing ceremony going on over here. Okay, Brother Shom, you can go to your room now.
Hey Nanda,
Yes?
what exactly are you up to? Tell me, why do you always oppress your husband?
See, answer him.
Brother Shom, you better go and sit in the study, where Sid generally sits. Sid is present here today. Grandpa has managed. I'm going to my room. I don't have any problem.
We are here. Namaste. Congrats.
Aunt,
Yes?
please come with me. Tess, come. Are you guys comfortable here or do you want to go inside with me?
Mrs. Roy, welcome, welcome.
Mr. Samresh, please come with me. I need to talk to you.
Sure. Tell me.
Good that I met you. Actually, I need to talk to you about something important. I don't know if it'll be appropriate to talk here. I can't understand.
No problem. Please come with me, please.
Sure. Excuse me.
Please, come. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Hey, bring a stool.
Yes, Grandpa, I will get it right away.
I'll be the first one to bless her. Yes, bring it here. Place it here. Come here. Keep
Here it
here.
is.
Right. Yes. Very good.
Thanks. Lakshmi's mom, do you want some tea?
No. I'm good. I don't want tea. Thank you.
How can you make this girl the daughter-in-law of your family? This girl is fit for becoming the maid of this house. What's wrong with you all?
Tess, please. How many times do I have to tell you to let Grandpa handle this matter?
Mithai, you seem to be in trouble. You talk all the time, but now you're not. Doesn't suit you though.
Doesn't suit me, right? This is what my point is. You know, grandfather, mom never listens to me. She just stares at me and always shouts at me and tells me, Mithai, keep your mouth shut or else you will dishonor grandpa. She also says, everyone will say that the bride hasn't learnt any... What is the word? Oh yes, hasn't learnt manners. Gulti is here only. You can ask him.
Mithai, keep your mouth shut.
Sister Mithai, just sit here quietly. You shouldn't speak much today. Keep quiet. Like this.
Hey, listen, Gulti. Listen, you come and join us. Or else every time Mithai will call you as a witness and you'll be in trouble. Come here.
Mr. Samresh, I'm really very concerned. Hence, I'm warning you all. I already told Sid about one of my clients. In the same way, my client had got into the trap of a girl like Mithai. All I want to know is, did you guys think it through and inquired about the current status of Mithai before fixing this marriage?
Dad has fixed all this, and I don't have anything to do here, Mrs. Roy. Well, you can speak to my dad regarding this and share your concern. Actually, Dad still nurtures old ideas and beliefs. So I guess you can understand.
Okay, I'll speak to Uncle Siddheshwar. Actually, I'm feeling very bad, you guys are getting into a trap and in spite of being your well-wisher, I'm not being able to do anything. I'm really feeling very bad, Mr. Samresh.
No, Mrs. Roy. Good that you said all of this.
Here you go, Mithai. This is your ceremonial necklace. Sri, help her wear it.
Give me.
Excuse me, I'll just go there and see.
Yes, of course.
Is the blessing ceremony over? Can I now bless the bride?
What's the intention of this lady? Why does she want to interfere in everything?
Mom, she wants to bless the bride.
Yes, come and sit here.
Thank you.
What has happened to mom all of a sudden? Why does she want to bless her?
What should I bless you for, Mithai? You have already achieved this huge mansion, wealth, and a good husband. And all through your manipulations, Mithai. What else do you want, Mithai?
Miss, Mithai doesn't want anything. Mithai knows how to work hard to earn her bread. Money and house, whatever is required, Mithai will make on her own.
Oh my. Why are you getting annoyed, Mithai? I was just praising you. Uncle, I mean whom you call Grandpa, has old values. He's too innocent. He's thinking that you're innocent too, just like him. And you have successfully been able to utilize that opportunity. This is to your credit. This is absolutely to your credit, Mithai. These days, one needs to be this smart, right, Mithai? In order to rise up. Uncle, Auntie, I know that you're getting too annoyed with me. But the world has become a very bad place. Innocence is synonymous to foolishness now.
Thank you. In that case, I would like to remain a fool.
Did you see, Mother? This is why I had asked you not to marry me off now. I wanted to start the shop first and then get married. It's quite likely that people will criticize me. Miss has no fault. We had fled overnight and took shelter at grandfather's place. Actually, we should have gone away after that, right? What to do now? Grandfather, please stop this wedding. There is still time. We should leave this place. Yes, we should go away.
Mithai, do you know why I didn't stop you from saying anything until now? I wanted that everybody present here should know that the wedding is not happening according to your wish, but on my wish. In that case, say anything more about this means insulting me. I hope you understand, Sulagna.
Whatever someone says might not always be true, Dad. Anyway, I'm going to my room.
I'm sorry, Uncle. I didn't want to insult you. Believe me. I just wanted to say that the world has completely changed. It's not like how it was during your times. I handle these cases on a daily basis, Uncle. These kinds of clients come to me every day. I handle them regularly.
That's why you can't think that someone can be good, right, Mrs. Sulagna? I can understand that. You're an advocate. The life of an advocate is full of problems and complications. Maybe you talk to 12 people in a day, and among them, probably 10 are bad. In that scenario, how can you trust people? You're right at your place. We can very well understand the reason for your concern. But Mithai, you don't feel anything bad about whatever she has said. Do you understand? Anyways, Dad, we are running very late. Come, let's, come on. Who is next to bless her?
Hey, come inside the car, Mr. Pratin. Come, get inside. Mr. Pratin, since the time I received your call, I'm waiting for the good news. So then, what is the good news? Tell me, how many outlets of Siddheshwar Modak will I get?
You jumped straight to buying shops. I've just set my board, Mr. Agarwal. I haven't made my move yet. I think what I have done is I've set the board well.
This is what the problem with you guys. Have you heard about this saying? What is said that, yes, the urge to reap.
Reap before
reap.
sowing. This is what you intend to say, right?
Yes.
Listen, Mr. Agarwal, within the next 1 month, you will buy all the outlets of Siddheshwar Modak. Because the guy who handles the business matters of Siddheshwar Modak, he is my pawn. But I have something else to say. This time you should finalize my commission in advance.
Sure. Mr. Pratin, you will definitely get your commission.
Bratin,
Yes?
did you notice something here? Don't you think people sitting amongst us seems a little tensed?
Amresh, Sulata hasn't got on the stage yet. Do you know what will happen after that?
Keep quiet. You got spared because you're the son-in-law.
Aunt Oppa, don't be so tensed. It will be so much fun. This isn't any serious wedding ritual. Everybody isn't like Ashri. Look at her. Since morning, she's practicing again and again. As if she's going to sit for an exam.
Yes.
One should dance like our Mithai. She dances her heart out.
Right.
Listen, Mithai. I'm repeatedly telling you, no matter whoever says what, don't start dancing in front of everyone. It looks bad.
Okay, let me tell everyone. So today's evening's heroine is present in front of us. Now, as soon as the hero and his brother arrive, we will begin the celebration of our joy-filled evening.
Hey, look! There they are. They have arrived. Come, welcome. You could have won a wedding dress.
Hey! Listen, Mithai, please don't remain silent, my child. Don't pay attention to what your mom says.
No. No matter how much you ask me to, I won't dance. Everybody will dance, but I won't dance. My mother will scold me if I dance. Let me go and sit there.
What are you doing, Mithai? Can't you walk properly?
Okay, fine. Go and sit there. Hey, take your seats, everyone. There's nothing to worry about.
Grandpa, please ask the girl not to look at me and get scared, please. I've understood very well that she will never change. Look, Grandpa, I've promised that I won't get angry today, so I'm making great efforts to be calm, but I can't promise for how long I'll be able to control myself.
Okay, all right. Don't be so angry during the ceremony. Don't behave like that. Go and take a seat. Go, sit there.
Hey, Siddharth, come and sit here. Come. Why didn't you wear... No, it's okay. Sit down, please.
So everyone, all I want to say is if Sandy...
Yes, Grandpa. Tell me.
If you can begin today's program, we all will be much obliged. Let's start.
Yes, why not? Hey, Rajiv, Ratul, you're doing the first performance. Get ready. Okay. Everybody, settle down, please. The wait is over. Today's program is about to start. The first performance is based on a very popular song. A dance performance will be presented. Shritama, Sister Nipa, Brother Rajiv, Ratul.
Sushma, these kids have gathered together and having fun. Isn't this what make us happy?
Grandpa, see, did you notice that we have restored our culture?